All right, fake nuggets. I'm ready to do a taste test.
Just a little flavor and a sweet aroma filling on my soul, yeah.
Oh, I'm a big fan of chicken nuggets. I mean, ate them all the time as a kid. Was a big McDonald's kid.
Honestly, if the chicken nuggets don't come with barbecue sauce, I don't want it.
I think the last time I had them was they were dinosaur-shaped nuggets.
I will eat them now if I'm in a guilty feeling state.
I can tell you right now, just sitting here looking at the 3 samples, I already have an idea of which one's not the real nugget.
Give me vegetables. You can cook them any way you please.
First of all, that's McDonald's.
Yeah, I was about to say, this looks like McDonald's.
That's McDonald's.
These smells like McDonald's. Oh, that's a McDonald's nugget. I don't even have to taste it. I just know it smells so well.
These just look like, you know, when you get like Tyson
Yeah,
chicken nuggets.
yeah.
From a box.
Yeah, from a frozen
Yeah,
thing.
like frozen nuggets. I don't know what color these are supposed to be, but this doesn't look like a nugget color to me. These looks completely different.
I'm gonna go with those as far as like the plant-based.
These look plant-based.
Plant-based.
Should we try them both the same?
Okay.
That's definitely McDonald's.
Hello, McDonald's.
It just tastes like McDonald's, and I haven't had it in ages. This is the kind of thing I'd serve at home. It's very salty.
Oh, this tastes like school lunch.
Yeah.
I think I like this one better, even though it doesn't look like real meat.
Oh, that's chicken. That's like a lot of chicken.
You know when you can taste something and it's really like chickeny?
Yeah.
That's super chickeny. That's like a cup of chicken soup chicken.
Like it really tastes like chicken and sometimes it's not good.
No.
All right, let me do the moment of truth though.
Okay.
This one feels weird.
I can't even dip it in the sauce, man. I need to get the full effect.
Cauliflower?
I think it tastes like fish.
No.
Something funny going on here.
They got a good chew about them, and they're fluffy and they're white.
I don't know what this is.
This is nasty.
I think they need a dip in something. The taste is a little weak. Oh, that's hot. That's hot sauce.
I think feeling it in your hand, it feels a little rubbery, and it tastes a little, the texture in your mouth is a little rubbery.
This texture is perfect. This is like weirdly perfect.
Mine's falling apart.
It's the spongy chicken nuggety consistency, but it's not chicken.
I'm gonna go with this one though as far as like the plant-based.
It do taste like clay.
Yeah, I think this is definitely the plant-based.
It's kind of growing on me. It's better the more I eat of it.
I'm gonna have another bite.
I thought I'd be disappointed by a plant-based nugget. No, I could totally have these. The first bite was definitely not nice, and it was not good. The more I have it, the better I feel about it.
They need to stick to what they know. Like, don't come out here with new chicken nuggets.
I think the ultimate test would be with a toddler. Toddlers love chicken nuggets. How would this fare with them? That's the ultimate test.
Without the meat, it's a gastronomic treat.
All right, what's in this thing? Seasoned plant protein portion, vegan fibers, water, pea protein isolate, canola oil, sodium alginate, citrus fiber, calcium chloride, bamboo fiber, dried egg white solid, seasoning, salt, maltodextrin from corn, natural flavor, yeast extract, citrus citric acid, onion powder, yeast, water, salt, leavening, sodium acid, pyrophosphate, sodium bicarbonate, spices, natural flavor, breading set in vegetable oil, including soybean oil, contains egg, wheat, may contain milk.